Now we will make a half double crochet through the bottom front loop. Yarn over, insert your hook under front bottom loop. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops on hook. Repeat this process until you finish the row.